Couple says they owe their lives to an unexpected visit a year before their St. John's home burned down. And you could be getting the same life-saving visit this weekend. Trevor Alt explains.
Woke up and looked over my shoulder. It was just solid orange.
2 years ago, Jimmy Hardin and Stevie Mercer's North Portland house erupted in flames. The damage was extensive, but every family member and pet made it out safely.
Getting 4 adults out and 2 dogs was incredible. It was almost miraculous.
They say they knew what to do because of a surprise visit a year prior. The Red Cross knocked on their door and prepped them for the worst-case scenario.
And because of the Red Cross and the information they gave, there wasn't any hesitation.
Now the Red Cross wants to do the same thing for you. On Saturday, they'll be going door to door with Portland Fire and Rescue for their Sound the Alarm campaign.
This is free of charge. We install smoke alarms in homes that need them, and we go over fire escape planning.
In America, home fires kill more people than hurricanes, wildfires, and floods combined, and still many people leave their alarms unchecked. On Saturday, even if you have one already, they'll give you a 10-year lithium battery to make sure you aren't left in silence when it counts.
It's something super simple that we can all do to increase our chances of survival in a home fire by 50%.
So far, the Red Cross and its partners have installed more than 1 million free smoke alarms, and they're hoping to add another 350 this weekend. If you'd like to make an appointment with them, we have the number on KOIN.com. In North Portland, Trevor Alt, KOIN 6 News.